Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions people ask around, like can you borrow money against life insurance? Yes, you can borrow money against a permanent life insurance policy, like a whole life or universal life insurance, if it has built up enough cash value. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can simply borrow money from against life insurance, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and make sure also you hit the subscribe button. It's very important. So let's get started on how you can simply borrow against life insurance work. So let's get started with that. So you can borrow up to 90% of your cash value depending on the insurer, and also no credit check is needed since you are borrowing from your own policy. Then after that, no fixed repayment schedule. You choose how and when to repay, and also low interest rate compared to personal loans. And here's how you can borrow against your life insurance. So the first thing to do is to check your policy cash value, then log in into your insurer portal or call your provider. Then after that, request a loan, fill out a loan request form from your insurer. Then also receive funds typically via direct deposit or check. And that's how you can simply borrow money from life insurance. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.